A leading dairy supplier was preparing to launch a Western-style cake brand across China. Before committing to store locations and product positioning, they needed a clear picture of their target consumer. Women aged 18 to 50, across 5 cities. Their purchase motivations, consumption occasions, and attitudes toward Western pastry culture. The brief called for in-depth interviews with 1,000 real consumers. Traditional research could get them there, but it's resource-intensive and slow. They needed the same depth of insight, faster and at lower cost. That's why they chose Atypica. Three capabilities made it the right fit. Speed at scale. Atypica conducts all 1,000 interviews simultaneously, completing the study in less than a third of the time. LLM-powered follow-up. Atypica's AI reads each response and probes further in real time, specific to what was just said. The most valuable insights often lie beneath the first answer. A research asset that compounds. Every respondent is converted into a persistent AI persona, forming a proprietary panel that stays in the brand's account. Run the study once, use it indefinitely. Setting up the study starts with creating a new project, entering the research context, objectives, target audience, and background. The discussion guide is loaded directly into the platform with conditional logic routing respondents based on their answers, including eligibility screening from the first exchange. Once configured, Atypica generates a shareable link. No app to install, no account required. When a respondent clicks the link, the interview opens in their browser. The first few exchanges confirm eligibility. Those who don't qualify exit cleanly. Respondents type their answers or reply by voice. As the conversation unfolds, the AI listens, and when an answer opens a thread worth following, it follows it, generating the next question in the moment. What the respondent experiences as conversation, the research team receives as structured verbatim interview data. Every completed session is logged as a full transcript. Researchers can click into any individual record and read through the complete exchange in detail. Atypica's research engine then synthesizes the full dataset into structured reports, behavioral patterns, consumption occasions, channel dynamics, and decision-driving factors across consumer segments. Beyond the report, all 1,000 records are used to build a persistent AI panel. Atypica surfaces distinct consumer segments, each with different purchase rhythms, trigger occasions, and sensitivities to price, brand, and quality, and builds a dedicated persona panel for each, trained on the real interview data. Whenever a new question arises, the team queries the relevant panel directly. 1,000 interviews across 5 cities. Full transcripts, structured reports, and AI persona panels for ongoing research delivered in less than a third of the time a conventional study would have taken.